Good morning, my dear boys. Today we'll see the continuation of Chapter 1 Multimedia and Desktop Publishing. The topic that we are going to cover today is File Formats for Multimedia, which is a very important 5-mark question. Come, let's see what are the formats that are there in multimedia. The first format is text format. Basically, by saying a word text, what you are able to understand? Either it may be a Word document or a PDF document or any kind of text document, that is your notepad, WordPad, all those things comes under text formats. Your text format is split into two types. One is rich text format and plain text format. Under text format we have two types. One is rich text format and the other one is plain text format. Rich text format was developed by Microsoft, and they have all the options to edit, change the font size, color, etc. But coming up with the plain text, we can only open it, read it, edit it, or editing comes under like you can only change the font size and font type, nothing more than that. I'll explain you with a small example. See here, I have put an example here for like WordPad versus Notepad. See, in WordPad, can you see you can change the font type, you can change the font size, you can convert it to bold, you can change it to italics, you can give even font a color, or you can insert picture in the document, or you can insert voice, date and time, everything. You can do all sorts of editing in WordPad. But coming with a notepad, you will be able to only edit the font size, font style and font type. Only these three can be done, nothing more than that. So with this, what you are able to understand is WordPad is rich text format, Notepad is a plain text format. Clear with this, boys? We'll see the definition here. So rich text format is a styled text that allows you addition of formatting such as font sizes, colors, etc. Coming up with the plain text, you can only have line spacing and breaks, very less text formatting, like you can only change the number, that is the font size, font type. Clear about rich text format and plain text format? Next format is image format. Under image format you have basically we save images like JPEG, JPG, then PNG format, then you have GIF formats, which GIF videos can be seen, then BMP, TIFF, many are there. Everything we'll see one by one in detail. Under image, the first one is TIFF format, that is tagged image file format. This format is commonly used in desktop publishing world for high quality output. It is supported in all the software packages. For example, when a photographer takes a picture, it is being saved in TIFF format. So that is high quality output. So in recent versions, this TIFF allows compression also, that is image can be compressed and you can even transfer the large files to some other devices you want. So examples are like your fax machine, your scanning machine. When you scan the image or scan a particular document using the scanning machine, the image file will be saved in the format of TIFF. If you want to convert that into PDF or document, you will later on change it. But by default, the image will be saved in the format of TIFF. So this is used to store raster images. You know what raster images are, right? We saw in the last video. So raster images are pixelated format of images. So clear till this? So it will be, all the high quality images are saved in TIFF format, and it is a Adobe product. You know Adobe page, Adobe page reader, that is PDF format. All those things were developed by Adobe. So this TIFF format is also a product of Adobe. Clear till this? Next format in image category is BITMAP image file. This was used from Windows 3.1, and this is quite large and uncompressed format. So BMP is used for high resolution or larger images. This is the next step beyond TIFF. So all the digital images are stored. See the picture here. This is called as digital art or digital image. So this particular image, all these kind of images are stored in digital format, which has been saved under bitmap, that is .bmp extension, and this format was developed by Microsoft. Clear? The next format in image is DIB, that is .dib, which is device independent bitmap. This format is also similar to BMP. See, certain images are not accepted in certain mobiles or devices. It will show that this particular device is not compatible. For that particular case, if we save it in DIB format, it can be displayed in any variety of devices. So there is no much thing in DIB. It is also similar to BMP, but only thing is the files can be displayed in variety of devices. Clear? Our next format in images are graphics interchange format, that is generally we call it to be GIF file. Even in your WhatsApp or in any chatting applications, you will be able to see the GIF stickers or GIF kind of images that you can send or share between your friends. See, this is called as GIF. See here, this is the example of GIF image file. So GIF is a compressed image format, and see, you will be able to make the GIF file in 0.3 seconds or 2 seconds, 4 seconds, not much more than that, right? So most of the computer color images or backgrounds are in GIF formats. Computer color images are like all your, even if you open a Google and if you search for any kind of images, computer, whatever it is, all the color images backgrounds are in the form of GIF files. So this uses a 13-bit of color lookup table to identify the color values. See, normally if in a Word document also, if you want to change the color of the font, color of the word, you will just select the font and you can see n number of colors there that has been displayed. That is called as color palette. Same way, the 13-bit color lookup table is used to identify the colors. Mostly this format is used widely, and this was developed by Computer Information Services. This particular company developed this GIF format. Color lookup table, that is CLUT. Since we have a range of input colors to another input colors, we are transforming the colors. See the pictures over there. You can even find a light green color to dark green, light blue to dark. Even a slight difference in the color matters. This is called as color lookup table. This particular lookup table is best for graphics because here we use limited colors, that is RGB color format, red, green and blue color format. With the combination you get different colors. Clear? And also it is a most popular format used. Clear till this about image and GIF? Our next format in images is Joint Photographic Experts Group, that is JPEG format. Normally all the images whatever we take will be saved in the format of JPEG images. This particular type of format was developed by 4 organizations jointly. They jointly created this. They are IBM, Canon, AT&T, then Mitsubishi Electric. These 4 companies joined together to create this JPEG format. And this particular format was used to attain maximum image compression. What is compression? If a file or if a photograph it's in the format of an MB, if it is in 1000 MB or 1000 kilobyte, whatever it is, we cannot save that entire file format in all your devices. In order to reduce the size, we use this. So this JPEG format uses lossy compression technique. That is a type of compression used to reduce the size. So it loses only some amount of data. There will be only little amount of changes in the picture which will not even be seen by us. Since all the images are raster images, it is pixelated format. So from the pixels we'll remove here and there. Clear? This is lossy compression. See the example here. I have just put a picture of a cat. See, the lossy compression works from right to the left. From the point of a cat. From the cat, the picture quality is reducing from right to left. For us, it is from left to right. Clear? So this is how the images are. The pixels have been reduced and the image size has been decreased. So it works good with photographs, artworks, and also live drawings and cartoons. Clear till what is JPEG? Next format is TRUEVISION Advanced Raster Graphics Adapter, which is the abbreviated form of TGA. So this is the first popular format for high resolution images. It was developed by TRUEVISION, the company TRUEVISION. Mostly it is supported by most of the video capture boards for capturing the images. See, if you even see a YouTube video, when you look the video before opening it, there will be an image that will be a part of a video, so that will be viewed first. So this kind of capturing the images or high resolution pictures are called as TGA. Next is Portable Network Graphics, that is PNG format. This was developed by PNG Development Group, an organization. Later on, which they donated this particular format to W3C, that is our WWW, World Wide Web Consortium, to them. So this PNG Development Group developed this particular format and they donated it to the W3C Consortium. Clear? Our next format is Portable Network Graphics. So it is a replacement of GIF and TIFF. The major common uses in TIFF is high resolution images to store raster images. So in order to satisfy this and GIF, it acts as a replacement for these two formats. That is, PNG acts as a replacement for both GIF and TIFF. It also works good with online viewing applications, that is World Wide Web. See a simple example, like you open the internet and you Google some images. Say it be anything, your favorite hero, heroine, whatever it is. Whatever images you just view, it must be very clear. So it should be very clear, that is, the pixel should not be broken. To get the fully streamable best display option, we use PNG. Normally the system uses PNG format. So this file format has advantages like less loss. There will be no loss in data. There will be, it can be viewed in any devices. It is portable, that is, you can view in any devices, and also well compressed storage. The file size also will not be very high. It will be in a medium format. So this is the thing in portable network graphics, that is PNG. So till now we have just seen what are the formats in image. Clear till this? So after image, after text, we have the third category is digital audio file formats. So coming with digital audio file formats, we have MP3, MP2, MIDI, 3GA, RA, AIFF, WAV formats. We'll see what are the formats one by one. First one is waveform audio file format, that is WAV. This was developed by Microsoft and IBM, and this is the most popular format in Windows for storing uncompressed sound files. That is, uncompressed in the sense this is the highest file size, maybe like 700 MB or 1 GB. Maybe one audio file itself will be in that particular size. In order to attain compressed format, or in order to reduce the size of the particular file, we will be using MP3. Clear? The first one is WAV format, which is uncompressed sound file. Clear? Next is MPEG layer 3, that is our commonly used MP3. This was developed by 6 people, that is jointly, these 6 people jointly developed this MPEG layer 3 format. That is Karl-Heinz Brandenburg, Ernst Eberlein, Heinz Gerhauser, Bernhard Grill, Jürgen Here, Harald Popp. Clear? So here you will be able to see, like normally we download MP3 music. Any kind of songs, audio songs, whatever it is, when we download it from internet, we'll get it in the format of MP3. That is, it is a roughly compressed format. See here, the original format is WAV file. So this MP3 is compressed to 1/10 of the size of WAV file. Clear? That is, if it is in 1000 MB, it will be converted to 10 MB. That is 1/10 of the size from original. Clear about MP3? Next is OGG format. This is this word OGG came from the word orging. See here, it is an open source container for better streaming. Even in audio, there must be clear audio. We must not hear any single extra sound or any kind of disturbances in the audio. So to evolve high-end quality digital media, we use orging, that is OGG. So this can be compared to MP3 files in terms of quality. Clear? And this was developed by ziff.org. This company developed this particular file format. Clear till this, boys? So our next format is audio interchange file format, that is AIFF. What is AIFF? Since it is audio interchange file format, normally we use this in Apple devices. This is a standard audio file format for Apple devices. It is similar to WAV file, which can be used in Mac operating system. That is your iPhone, your iPad, iPod, all those things consists of Mac operating system. Next one is Windows Media Audio. It is a most popular format that is owned by Microsoft. So the developer of this particular format is Microsoft. So they have designed this with digital right management, which I'll explain you in the next picture. Simply we can say digital right management is there are many unauthorized distributors of digital media. Even if you take it as a movie, when a movie is being released today, the copy of it will be available in internet even in 1 hour or the next day. So all those kind of things should not be done for the audio. For that purpose, Microsoft have used digital right management to prevent unauthorized distributions, and also they cannot copy whatever contents they have purchased. See, Microsoft, if it is owning a particular audio, only with their permission we will be able to download it, else we will not be able to download. That is digital right management. Next is real audio format. It is used to streaming audio over the internet. That is, before you are downloading an audio, you will listen to the music first. That particular part, when it is played, their RA format is used, and this particular format is owned by Real Networks. Next is digital video file formats. Here we can see .mov, MP4, AVI, 3GP, MPEG, all those things comes under video file formats. Let's see one by one. First one is AVI, that is Audio Video Interleave. This format is developed by Microsoft, and here the sound and the picture element are stored separately, that is in interleaved chunks. Take an example. Normally we have, in earlier days we had CDs or DVDs for a movie. Right now we are using it with the pen drive, or we are using it by downloading directly. But in earlier days we used DVDs, in which if you put it in the system or a computer, it will ask you to open it. Once you open it, you will be able to see two files, folders. One is audio TS, next one is video TS. That is, so audio TS has the recordings, that is the sound part. Video TS has the picture part, that is the movie part. So these two things are being kept separately in interleaved chunks in an entire file. So when we play the video, automatically the audio will get settled up in the video to get a clear movie with audio. Clear about AVI? Are you able to understand? Next one is Moving Pictures Experts Group, that is MPEG. And here you will be able to see like it is a combination of generating digital video and audio compression. That is, in this particular part we don't have any separate files like audio TS and video TS. Both are correlated, both are joined together to form MPE4. And right now whatever videos you download, it will be downloaded in the format of MP4. Clear? And under this you have 5 categories, that is MPEG 1, MPEG 2, MPEG 4, MPEG 7 and MPEG 21. MPEG 1 is like combination with video CD and MP3 based. As I told, earlier days we had MPEG, but in the format of audio TS and video TS. So video CD will be there and MP3 will be there. Both will be joined together to form a video. Clear? This will come under AVI format. Next is MPEG 2, which supports digital television setup. Normally we had VCD boxes, DVD boxes. To support in television, we used MPEG 2 format. Next is MPEG 4, that is standard for multimedia and mobile web. Right now you are downloading all the videos, whatever it is, right from your mobile phone or laptop. For that purpose we use MP4, which is the standard format. Next is MPEG 7 to search the audio and visual content. This is the next level of MPEG 4. And next will be your MPEG 21, which is a multimedia framework to organize all these types of MPEG versions. Clear? This was started in 2000. Clear till this? So very simply, MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group, is a standard for digital video and audio compression. Clear, boys? So today we have just seen about what is image formats, what is text format, and what is audio format, and what are the video formats. So these 4 categories come under various file formats in multimedia. This is an important 5-mark question. I remind you again. Clear, boys? That's all for today. Thank you.